Hello and welcome to my makeup tutorial. This is my first one and it might be uploaded, it might not be, I don't know. Today I did this look and it's kind of like a Christmassy gingerbread man inspired but not too intense, big-eyed makeup. And enjoy! I hope you watch it, and I hope you like it, and I hope I upload it. Alright, so first I'm going to start with primer. Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in light neutral. And I just put one pump onto my brush. And then I start painting it. Next, I'm going to use Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer in the shade Whiteout for underneath my eyes to brighten up my face more. I just like putting them in little triangles. And then my favorite brush ever, the Kat Von D number 40 brush. Blend out concealer here, and I like to do it around my brow so that when I'm done doing my brow it has that highlight kind of already there. And I like to bring the concealer up closer to my nose because I don't like how wide my nose is, so I find if I make it brighter here, it'll look like my cheek continues farther in and then my nose will look more narrow. Next, I'm going to be using Kat Von D's setting powder in the shade Translucent, and I just take the cap and I dump some powder into it, and I put this brush in, just like a normal fluffy round big face brush, and I like to pack the powder underneath my eyes first. And then I spread it around my face. Alright, now it's time to start the eyes. I'm going to first start using Limecrime's Venus palette number 2. And this look is basically going to be all Limecrime eyeshadows, I think. I love Limecrime eyeshadows. And we're going to be using the color, I'm shaky, sorry. Jam. I'm gonna take a you're not the right fluffy brush. I'm gonna take a little fluffy eyeshadow applicator, lightly go into Jam, and then I will blend it in to the crease. It's such a nice color and very easy to blend, I find. And now that we've got that on, I'm going to be using the Limecrime Pocket Candy Sugar Plum palette, and I'm going to be taking Nutcracker. And I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to lightly dab it into the color. And then I'm going to be placing it just in the center, or like closer to my crease, I mean. Next, we're moving on to Special Magic Fun. Back in with Kat Von D's Whiteout Concealer. And we're gonna dab it there. And then I'm gonna take a little brush like so. And just paint it around. And now while that's still tacky, I'm going to quickly go into the Limecrime Pocket Candy Bubblegum palette and go into the color Blow.
Going to go into Blow.
Pick up a lot of pigment and really pat that in there. I find it shows up a lot nicer when you put it on top of white concealer. It really sticks, shows up. I don't know if you can see it yet, but there's like a blue shimmer in this, even though it doesn't look like that in the pan. And I love it. You can probably see when it shines, right? And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Carve out the bottom of my eye. And then blend it a little bit into where I put that darker brown. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up Fairy Floss, and I'm going to put that right on top of it. It's kind of like a translucent version of the Blow. So pretty. I'm gonna put it down here just in the center, lightly. Okay, alright, now we're going to be continuing by doing the inner corner highlight for this look, and it's pretty bold. I already have it done on the side. So we're gonna start with Snap. I almost called it Soup because I'm reading upside down. And I'm just gonna put it on the same brush we've been using. And then bring it right in the middle of the center of your eyelid where we put the other shimmer. And right in between where the corner would be. So it's gonna be like a nice blending color in between that color and losing my voice. And Icing from the Sugar Plum palette. I'm gonna take some of that. And then I forgot, I'm also gonna go back into Snap, sparkly pink, and just lightly put some under my brow bone. This brow is kind of messed up shaped, but I'm gonna put some on my nose because I can't help it. And this is my eyeliner wing. Well, I think I'll make it a bit pointier. I like making my eye look big, so eyeliner kind of goes right down. I'm just gonna drag that out a bit because I like having giant eyes. Next, I'm going to be using Benefit's Bad Girl Bang mascara. I just got in a sample size at Sephora and I freaking love it. I've never actually liked like a high-end mascara, but this is amazing. Alright, there are my eyelashes. I like to make them thick because it adds to the big eye look, I guess. I don't know. And next we need to do eyebrows. So I'm gonna comb out my eyebrows. The spoolie. I'm just using a double-ended Makeup Forever brush. Just another Makeup Forever one. And it's a lot thinner. This one is the 172 straight. Okay, so we'll be using the Saint and Sinner palette for my eyebrows. And I start off in the front with Crucifix, and then at the tail, I put in Sabbath. So I just like to lightly outline the bottom, the eyebrow, and then with the residue, align the top, and then I blend that up. Just keep blending it up, really. And just to make sure it's blended A1, spoolie it. Then with Sabbath,
hopefully I don't fuck this up on camera.
I'm just gonna fill in the end of the tail darker. Alright, I'm going to my Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using Helia, which is kind of a green. Let's hide that from the light. You can see the green, right? Right? And I really like to use my finger to get maximum impact when I put on my highlight. And then next, I'm going in with blush. These blushes smell like chemicals, and I don't know what brand they are. They smell like chemicals because they've been sterilized so many times. Don't worry. Got my cute Limecrime brush. And I'm gonna go in with this little guy here. And I like to go kind of heavy. Maybe not for this look. Maybe average for this look. It looks so much more intense on this side because the lighting is brighter right here. I swear. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go heavier on this side. And I can't forget my nose. So cute! Now we just have lips left. Here we are. I'm going to be using Makeup Forever's lipstick. And it's number 44. I don't think it has a name. I'm going to check if the other ones just have numbers or... Yeah, no, it's just number 44. It looks a lot darker, but it's actually, it's all messed up from breaking it off for clients, but it's kind of brighter than it actually looks. So cute. Oh, would you look at that? The look is done. I'm a hoe for Christmas.